how to improve your focusing capabilities?
Like anything
Like,
you want to elaborate?
you try really hard to focus and then ban jata hai focus. But you're not constant in it. ऐसे बहुत मेहनत लगती है focus के लिए. Why can't, when you know that you want to focus on something, तो उससे सीधा focus क्यों नहीं होता?
I think part of the answer is because part of the issue is that because we are trying too hard to focus, you know, and so we've given ourselves an objective that now we need to be focused. What does focus do? Focus enables you to, in a very unidirectional way, focus, you know, just engage yourself with that one thing that you're meant to engage with completely, so that the other distractions are not around you. But what we end up doing is we make that very focus also a project.
Yes.
Right, so we are like, I have to focus. So forget what you're supposed to focus on. Your focus is on focusing.
True.
So when there is so much focus on focusing, then how will you focus on what you're meant to focus on? Correct?
Yes.
So I think the most important thing to first understand is that it's not a project. You know, focusing is not it's not a task, it's not a project, it's not something that we have to achieve. It enables you to achieve what you're meant to achieve.
Yeah.
Focus.
Yeah.
So focus is not
And
just
keep it like this.
and see, look at my hand and my eyes, and I'm like, so what we're doing is we're putting so much effort and stress and tension on the fact that I need to focus. Focus actually comes by not even focusing on what you're meant to focus on. It comes by just emptying yourself of the distractions.
Yeah.
You know, so when we just, for example, one way we do it is by going to the breath.
Yeah.
So when we go to the breath, when we just stay with our breath, then all the clutter in the mind that slowly either starts disappearing or it becomes background action and becomes background noise. When it becomes a background action, it's not troubling you in a very direct way. It's just there, but it's not like it's not clouding you from what you meant to engage yourself with. So focus is actually emptying yourself, because only and only when we empty ourselves inside of us can we focus on something.
I remember when I learned this from you, and because when you, पता नहीं था तब that, you know, it'll work on me or not, and I thought कि अच्छा ऐसा कुछ होगा भी कि नहीं, you know. And I remember the first time when I did meditation with you and the whole breathing exercises, it changed my life. And I remember what effect it had on me. I never knew that you can be blank in peacefulness also. And yeah, the breathing exercises did help me.
Yeah, I mean, you've actually achieved it. A lot of times we did an improv and you were a bit distracted.
Yes.
And when we are distracted, what ends up happening is that Vamika's own thought process is continuing in the scene that she's meant to perform. But when you went to your breath for 5 minutes, you emptied yourself. And then when you went into a scene, you're so much in the moment because Vamika's own thoughts are not troubling her. Her own stress of whether the scene will happen is not troubling her. The argument she's had in the morning is not having an effect on her in the scene because you've emptied that before starting. So just emptying is focusing in a way.
Okay.
And then by staying with the breath, you come to this moment and this moment alone. And that is what acting is. Everybody says be in the moment, but how do we be in the moment? How do we achieve that? We achieve that by letting go of the distractions which are in our headspace right now. So when we let go of that, where else will we be but here?
But here, in the moment. Yes.